Hello YouTube and welcome to a new unboxing video. Today we have gotten a new game from Exploding Kittens called Recipes for Disaster. So this version of the Exploding Kittens game is practically the definitive version to get if you just want to get the game with all the expansions included. But it's not exactly all the expansions included, it's select cards, the most popular cards from the Exploding Kittens series. I really enjoyed the Exploding Kittens game, and as well I did back it when it was on Kickstarter all that time ago with, here's the original one, the Exploding Kittens first edition. Really cool. This box actually used to have a little sound coming from it, which meowed, but the battery died a long time ago, since it was several years ago since this game came out. I also did get the expansions, which included the Exploding Kittens game and the Streaking Kittens game. And not to forget as well, the Barking Kittens version of the game. They are all expansions, so it's 1, 2, and 3 expansions all included in this definitive edition. So let's get into this new Exploding Kittens Recipes for Disaster game box, where it changes the rules of the game again with new game modes using different cards. So we'll have a look at what they are. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got in it. The first thing that comes right to the front is the Cone of Shame. You essentially give this to the player or put it around his head for someone who forgets which way, whose turn it is, or which way you are going in the game. So that's kind of funny that they brought it back. And let's see what else. So it seems like the box is quite big. Let's get these out. Recipes for Disaster, the rules. So that's a rule booklet. And also a field guide. It actually tells you on here what cards are included. And yes, you could see Exploding Kittens, Barking Kitten, and a Streaking Kitten included. So all the expansions. So all of the favorite cards from all of the expansions all together. So it's not every single card, but it's a definitive edition which includes all of the expansions in one. As well as a rule book is included. Yep. Don't read these rules, just watch the video. Just watch it. A lot easier, really easy to learn. And so it seems like this top section here is to organize the cards. It actually says after playing your first game, load the cards by type into the tray. That actually would help a lot when organizing the game. Nice that they include. First off, let's have a look at these new recipes maybe, because this changes the game quite a bit. Yep. So each one has new rules. There's a 2-player variant, like all. It actually tells you which cards to take from the deck to play the game. Let's see, another 2-player variant, Sharing is Caring. Power Play. Yeah, it's actually nice that they have a bunch of 2-player options now. some for 3 to 5 players. And yeah, different ways of how to start as well. 7 cards and no diffuse. With 5 players, each starts with 5 cards and no diffuse. So that's a really different starting method. Sharing is caring. So it actually tells you all the rules and the ingredients. What else is there? And now another power play, 3 to 5 players. Meow say chest. That's a funny way of saying it. Danger mode. It actually at least shows the playtime as well. Really cool to have a playtime. 10 minutes, it's really quick. Sticky fingers. 15 minutes play, 2 to 5 players. Attack of the attacks. Really cool. 2 to 5 players. Lightning Kittens. So this would be a lightning round, 2 minutes. Eye for an eye, 15 minutes play, 3 to 5 players. Really cool how the recipes changed the name of the game a lot. And 5 blank recipe cards, so you could actually make up your own rules. So your recipe name, the notes, as well as each player starts with how many cards, plus you could say no diffuse, 1 diffuse, or maybe more. And the ingredients, you could just put up the card types as well and the card counts, just the same way as these other recipes. So you get 5 blank ones to make up your own rules. So let's take a look at the new cards. So this just comes off. And some new artwork as well for the new Exploding Kittens. Really nice designs. Several diffusers, new designs as well. The imploding kitten is here. Actually 4 imploding kittens. Usually it's just 1, but they have 4. Barking kittens, 2 barking kittens with different designs. A streaking kitten, so those are all the expansions all together already. See the future times 3 times. There's several see the features. And then see the future 5 times. So these ones just have the same artwork. Also the future, different artworks 3 times. 3 times. Share the future. That's actually a different card as well. And we'll share the features 3 times. Mark cards. All the same artwork. Zombie cats. And the beard cat is back. Rainbow Ralphing cat. Your good old shuffle. 2 garbage collections. Swap top and bottom. Draw from the bottoms. Different artworks. Attack cards 2 times. Personal attack 3 times. Some of these designs are like really funny. And these are like completely new designs from the original. Targeted attack. And you get all skip card and super skip cards. And change the way of the game, reversing the deck. I'll take that. These are different cards as well. And a berry card. There's more cards here. So we'll just have a look at this one. Yeah, more Exploding Kittens. Some of these designs now do look familiar. Yeah, and here are the diffuse cards. All your diffuses. And your nopes. The good old nope. Makes the game really funny with the nope. And shuffle cards. More shuffle cards. All with different designs. Skip cards. More skips. Also the future 3 times, and a now card, meaning that you could actually play it when you actually get it, and you don't have to wait for your turn to do that. Swap top and bottom. And more attack cards 2 times. And a target attack. Catomic Bomb. Berries. And the Attacker Cat is back. Good old Attacker Cat. Feral Cats, which can be used as any cat. It's sort of a wild card, so many of those ones. And more reverse cards with different artwork. They're 2 with the same artwork, but these other 2 are different. And one more hidden here is actually another recipe card. So this one is called Nope Sauce, which is probably that particular deck called Nope Sauce. So this recipe was with this particular deck. The cool thing about this game is that they also mark it with the edition that it has. So RFD edition just means the Recipes for Disaster Game edition. So if we looked at the first edition one, it will say first edition for original edition, first expansion, second expansion, and the third expansion. So that's a look at all of the cards that are in the game. And hopefully once lockdown lifts, we could play games in person again. At the moment, we're still in lockdown here in Australia, so there's no chance for even playing with other friends. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, as we do post a bit of videos here and there. A bit hard to get items now because of lockdown, but once something comes in which is of interest, we will do an unboxing of it and we will upload it to YouTube. And again, thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe and keep up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.